I like giving back to the people watching. So Spike would start giving away loads of these items and much more. So to win these prizes, all you need to do is the following. Thank you for your time. And by the way, I do giveaways on these channels as well, so check them out. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the main shortcuts in DaVinci Resolve. Well, these shortcuts I use loads in my projects. I ain't going to talk about 1 million shortcuts that I don't use like other people, but let me show you the main shortcuts here. Okay, first off we have this one, which is the blade tool. Instead of pressing this, cutting, whatever, that's not beneficial. All you should do is shortcut, which is command slice, and you can change it of course for whatever you want. Like you can make it instead of command something, you can make it just one. If you want to change, you can do this. Okay, keyboard customization, and change whatever you want. Well, the second tip is, which I use a lot, is this one. Ripple, but not the ripple forward. I use the ripple backward. For example, if I'm watching something I want to edit and all this stuff that came before isn't important, so let me cut it. I just press on this keyboard, on this shortcut, and it will cut it all as if we start from here. For example, we don't like this one either, so cut it, start from here. That's it. Yeah? Okay. Another tip. What is the last tip is moving faster, which is important because you ain't going to work in slow motion sometimes. You ain't going to repeat yourself multiple times. So fast forward if you already viewed the following clips you are editing. Well, these are the 3 main shortcuts in DaVinci Resolve. Hope you took something from it, and if you can, please support the channel by subscribing, liking, and doing whatever, sharing. Yeah guys, I'll start giveaways soon, so the giveaways are for the supporters mainly. So if you can support to win some prizes. You also, if interested in videography, video editing, and how to make money making videos, subscribe to don't miss out.